Hello everyone, welcome back. This is our third video lecture on the chapter Role of the Government in Health. So this is the mind map. From here you will come to know the topics that are already covered in our previous videos and the ones that are to be covered in this video. So here you can see the topics like meaning of health, healthcare in India, the stories of Hakim Sheikh and the cost of a cure. These are the topics that are already being covered in our previous videos. So in today's video we will talk about the difference between public health services and private health facilities. We'll talk about from where does the government gets the money to provide healthcare services, that is taxes. Is healthcare available to all? Is sufficient healthcare available to all? What can be done to improve the situation of health? Kerala experience and the Costa Rican approach. These are the topics that are going to be covered in this video. So let's go to page number 24 and mark and highlight all these important lines that I have highlighted in my book. So we are going to discuss about the public health services. So public health services are chain of hospitals and healthcare centers that are run by government. They cover both rural and urban areas. They are called public because the money incurred in order to set up hospital and provide healthcare facilities is by the taxes which we the public pays. It provides free or low cost facility. Next is private health facility. Private health facilities, they are not owned by the government, but they are owned by the individuals who are the one, they are privately owned, right? They are privately owned and they are run by the individuals and they provide every facility, and the cost of treatment is more as compared to the public hospitals. So for more differences you can see these mind map. From the mind map it can be clearly understood the differences between public and private. So public hospitals are also known by the name government hospital. Public hospitals are not neat and clean as compared to the private hospitals. Government hospitals, these public hospitals, are owned by the government and private hospitals are privately owned. The ambulance does not arrive on time in a public hospital, and the doctors are well educated in a private hospitals but not in a government hospital. Sometimes the quality, the education of the doctors in a public hospital is not up to the mark. The attitude of the doctors and nurses in a private hospital is far better than the doctors and nurses working in the public hospitals. In private hospitals, doctors are more polite and they are caring towards their patients. Private hospitals have better equipments as compared to the public hospitals, and the cost of treatment in private hospital is high in comparison to the public hospital. So these are the picture. By looking at the picture we can clearly understand that this is the picture of a public hospital and this is the picture of a private hospital, which is so neat and clean and well equipped. This is the medicine which are usually prescribed by the private hospitals. They are in brand and are costly as compared to the medicines which are prescribed by the government hospitals, and they are known by the name generic medicines. They are less costly. Next thing which we are going to talk is healthcare and equality. So this paragraph talks about that private services are increasing and the public are not. Private hospitals are concentrated in urban areas and moreover the doctors prefer to settle in urban areas. The cost of treatment is more in private hospital and the treatment is expensive. During the time of treatment we prefer to go to a private hospital but not in a public hospital, because we know that the treatment that we are going to get from a private hospital is far better than the public hospital. So think about those poor people who cannot afford to have these treatments, so they take loan and this cause anxiety. The facilities in public hospital is not so good, and moreover the way the doctor nurses talk is very rude. Public services are mainly found in urban areas. In rural areas we have few health centers and they do not run properly. Sometimes people do not take illness seriously, and at many places women's health is taken of less importance and not given much importance. So with this we understand the problems. So what can be done? Definitely government should work on it. It is the responsibility of the government to provide equality to all and equal healthcare facilities and services to all, especially the poor ones, because the rich people, they have the money, they can get the treatment. So we have to think about the poor people also. We cannot ignore their life. And with this, one very important topic that is to be discussed is taxes. When we talk what can be done, so who is going to do this? Is to be done by the government. So from where does the government will get the money? The government will get the money from the tax which the public pays, which the people pay. So what are taxes? So tax is that money which we pay to the government, so they provide us these services for the benefits. It benefits us. Okay, whatever money, whatever tax we pay to the government uses that money, the government utilizes that money for our benefit. So what are the different types of taxes? We pay tax of water, education, property tax, income tax, service tax, entertainment tax. So these are some of the taxes that we pay. And what kind of services do we get out of those taxes? Services like defense, police, judicial, highways, education, healthcare, employment. These are basically required for the needy people. And the tax money is also used during the time of some disaster, like if there is a flood or earthquake. So who is going to give relief to the people? So it's by the money of the tax. The money of tax, that money goes to help these people. Next thing which we have to understand, next topic is the Kerala experience and the Costa Rican approach. So with this, let's see the points here. This will make it easy. We all know where is Kerala. Kerala is in the south of India, southwest of India, right? So these are the points which will help us understand that what the Kerala government has doing for its people. So this led to some positive changes. So what happened in 1996? Kerala government, they gave 40% of its budget to the panchayat, and the panchayat used this money on water supply, schools, anganwadis, healthcare, and this led to positive change as the money was used for the betterment of all the people. And infant mortality rate is low in Kerala as compared to with other states. Like infant mortality rate means children or child who is below the age of 1 year, their death rate is less as compared to other states, and the life expectancy of Kerala is 74.9 years. When you talk about Costa Rica, which is another approach, so here Costa Rica is a country in North America. It is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in the continent. The Costa Rican government gave much importance to the health of its citizens. It took an important decision and decided not to have an army. In this way, it saved money and began to spend this money on health, education, and other basic needs of the people. The Costa Rican government believes that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a sincere attention to the health of its people. The Costa Rican government provides all the basic services and amenities to the people. Amenities means here facilities to the people of the country. It provides clean drinking water, sanitation, nutrition, and housing. Health education has been made an important and compulsory part of the education, and at all levels the students study this subject and are provided with knowledge about health. So both these countries, whether it's Kerala or it's Costa Rica, both of them, they believe that a healthy population is the most important factor in the development of any country. So what do we come to understand from this? We understand so many important things of the chapter. That is the meaning of health. We understand that what challenges are there, how public hospital is different from a private one, from where does the government gets money? The government gets money from the tax that we pay, right? Adequate health care is not available to all. Poor people, they are deprived of healthcare facilities because of lack of financial help. What can be done to improve the situation? Definitely it is the government. They have to take care of the people. They have to provide healthcare services to the people. And then we discussed about the Kerala and Costa Rican approach, where we learned that how these two countries, these two places are working for they had been working and they are still working for their people's health. So with this, Stay healthy, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, everyone.